Hello everybody, welcome to Take It Easy. This is Xiaomi's Mi Compact Bluetooth Speaker 2, which looks good and performs well and doesn't burn a hole in your pocket. In this video, I'm going to show you a nice unboxing and review. My channel has crossed 5000 subscribers mark, so I am also going to do a giveaway. Yes, I will give this Bluetooth speaker away to one of you guys. Stay tuned for more details. If you end up liking this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and hit the red subscribe button if you are not subscribed yet to the channel. It's free. Make sure you hit the bell icon to stay notified about all the awesome upcoming videos. Just as its name suggests, the Mi Compact Bluetooth Speaker 2 is indeed super compact. This Bluetooth speaker comes with a nice circular geometric kind of mesh design on top or front. For now, it is only available in white color. The Bluetooth version is 4.2 and this is a 2-watt Bluetooth speaker, but it packs some serious power, which you will see in a few moments. So this is the box packing in which the Mi Compact Bluetooth Speaker 2 comes in. It is already looking nice. Now let's cut the plastic wrap and get the main box out. So this is the main box. We can already see the speaker. Some specifications are mentioned here. As you can see, the rated power is 2 watts and the Bluetooth version is 4.2. And at 80% of volume, it will provide playback time of 6 hours. The MRP mentioned at the backside of the package is 899 rupees, which is almost $13. But it usually sells for 799 rupees, which is a little more than $11. And finally, to get our hands on the main Bluetooth speaker, we need to cut the seal open. And this is how it was resting in peace inside its plastic enclosure. And now, like magic, it will come back to life. It is definitely compact. The color is pure white and a white lanyard is also included inside the box. This is how you can attach the lanyard. Basically, the lanyard provides a little bit more safety while you are holding it. And of course, using the lanyard, you can hang the Bluetooth speaker to different places like your bicycle or backpack, etc. Let's connect this to my phone and do a quick sound test. So this is the button that you need to press and hold for a couple of seconds to power it on. So let's do that.
Power on. Pairing.
So now it is in pairing mode. The blue light is blinking, as you can see. Now let's pair it with my phone.
Connected.
Now it is connected. After it gets connected to a Bluetooth source, the blue light will blink slowly. Okay, so now let's play some music from YouTube. So the sound quality is fairly good, at least for the price it is good. It is almost closer to those 3-watt Bluetooth speakers that are available in the market. It has an internal microphone, and that means you can use it to take calls. There is only one button and you can play or pause the music using this button, and you can also receive or disconnect a call. The button and the area around is rubberized. The button is at the bottom side of the speaker, and that means if you have placed it on a table or bed and you need to access the button, you need to flip it towards the back, and only then you can press the button. There is a micro USB port through which you can charge it up. It doesn't have FM radio and there is no aux port. Also, no micro SD card slot is there, and there is no full-sized USB port. It is tiny, so there is hardly any space for all these, and that is acceptable. This is not going to replace your home theater sound system, guys. The internal battery capacity is 480 mAh and the battery life is good. As per my testing, I found it to be matching Xiaomi's claim of 6 hours of playback at 80% volume. If you compare the Mi Compact Bluetooth Speaker 2 with the Portronic sound drum, of course this is going to be louder because this is a 10 watt Bluetooth speaker, whereas this one is just 2 watts. And look at the size difference as well. You see that? But for the size, it is loud enough. It is actually louder than I expected. As per my testing, the sound quality is equally good in both these speakers. However, the bass is a little bit better in this one because it has a dedicated bass radiator. And comparing the battery life, they are almost the same. It also does last from 5 to 6 hours, and it is almost the same. It also lasts almost 6 hours. Let's talk about the things that I don't like about this product. I would have really appreciated if there were a dedicated volume control buttons. Also, I would have liked a black color variant even more, because it is so compact, and that is why you will want to take it everywhere with you, but the white color will get dirtier over time. If you need a Bluetooth speaker that is super portable and one that you can literally carry in your pocket, go for this one. It weighs just 50 grams. 2 watts of power may not look like much, but this Bluetooth speaker is louder than many cheap 3 watt speakers. So guys, now let's talk about the giveaway. The giveaway rules are very simple. You just have to be a subscriber of this channel, and to be eligible for the giveaway, you just need to share this video on the social media, whatever social media you are currently using. It may be Twitter or Facebook. While sharing the video, you have to use 2 hashtags. One is take it easy and the other one is giveaway. So use these 2 hashtags and make sure the post is public, otherwise I will not be able to find your post. The giveaway result will be announced on 23rd December. The post with the most number of likes will be selected as the winner, and then I will contact you and share any further details. If none of the posts have more than 100 likes, I will select the winner on a random basis. So if you have any questions or queries, just comment it down there, and if you liked the video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. If you are not subscribed yet, consider subscribing if you like my content, if you like my work. Also hit the bell icon to keep yourself notified whenever I post a new video. I really appreciate all your support. Share the video with your friends and family. That's it for this video. Have a great time, and I will see you in the next video.